Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ona Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa, and today we're making autumn root vegetable medley with sautéed greens. In a large bowl, mix the garlic, olive oil, shoyu or Bragg's, balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, fresh rosemary and thyme, salt and pepper. Add in the root vegetables and chickpeas if using. Toss together until they are well coated. Place in a 9x13 casserole dish or lined baking pan. Cover with foil. Bake at 375 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes or until fork tender. When tender, take off the foil and let bake an additional 10 minutes for final roasting. While vegetables are roasting, heat a large skillet with a bit of olive oil and sauté your greens until tender. Place on serving platter and top with cooked vegetables. Garnish with fresh herbs of choice. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.